Hi dear students, I am Sarvamangala, mathematics lecturer from MNG College, Kolar. Welcome to this session. Today I am going to explain about sets. Our first chapter sets. Our first chapter name is sets. Now today we will discuss about sets. Means what is the definition of sets and what is the mathematical meaning of sets and how to represent these sets and where we use these sets and using how many types of methods are there in this method. Now let's see in this class. Okay. Now first of all, in our mathematics, our first chapter is sets. Okay. In that sets. So mathematics, our first topic, sets. First of all, what is the definition of sets? What is mean by set? Set means what? So set is a collection of. First of all, see the definition. I will write here. Definition. Define set. A set is a set is a collection of well defined object. Is a collection of well defined object. A set is a collection of well defined object. Means well defined means what? How do we collect the well defined object? Now first of all, to know that, first here we should learn well defined means what? Well defined means what? Here well defined means the collection should not vary from person to person. So well defined means the collection should not vary from person to person. Means what? Collection should not vary from person to person. Means what we collect. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಈಗ ಸೆಟ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಜನರಲಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದೇ ಗುಂಪಿಗೆ ಸೇರಿರೋಂತಹದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಗುಂಪು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ಗುಂಪು ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕಲ್ಲಿ ಸಹ ಯಾವುದು ವೆಲ್ ಡಿಫೈನ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೋ, ಯಾವುದು ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆಗಿ ನೇಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೋ, ಅದು ಒಬ್ರಿಂದ ಒಬ್ರಿಗೆ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಆಗ್ದಿರ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಅದು ಒಂದೇ ನೇಮ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೋ, ಒಂದೇ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೋ ಅಂತದನ್ನ ಈಗ ನಾನು ಸರ್ವಮಂಗಳ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು, ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಆಗ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಲೆಕ್ಚರ್ ಸರ್ವಮಂಗಳ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಅಂತ ಹೇಗೆ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೋ, ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ನ ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ ಅದು ಒಬ್ಬರಿಂದ ಒಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಆಗದೆ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಅದು ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆಗಿ ಅದೇ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ರು ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ವೆಲ್ ಡಿಫೈನ್ಡ್ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದ ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಂತಹ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೋ ಅದು ಒಬ್ಬರಿಂದ ಒಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು. ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆಗಿ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಒಂದೇ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಒಂದೇ ರೆಕಗ್ನೈಸೇಷನ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಸೆಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ದಟ್ means what? A set is a collection of well defined object. Means that collection should not vary from person to person. This is what? Set. So when the collection should not vary from person to person, then that collection is obviously said that is a set. So now you know the definition of set, right? A set is a collection of well-defined object, and that collection well-defined means that collection should not vary from person to person. It should be same to everyone. Then only we say that the object is a well-defined object. If it is well-defined object means that collection is a set. Okay. Now the set is usually denoted by capital alphabets letter. Any capital alphabet letters. So the set is usually denoted by capital alphabet letters. So ಒಂದು ಸೆಟ್ ಅಂತ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡಾಗ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಆಲ್ಫಾಬೆಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಆಲ್ಫಾಬೆಟ್ಸ್ ಲೆಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಲೆಟರ್ಸ್ ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಟೆಲ್. So what? Any set is usually denoted by capital alphabet letters. Okay? Understood na? Now next, let's take some example for this. Now we know the definition. So here we take some. Here there are now we take some elements, means we take some collection. What we collect some object. That object is or elements of the set. That objects are called elements of the set. Means now I'll take first 10. Collect first 10 natural numbers. Collect 10 first natural number. The natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are the collection of well-defined object. It is well-defined, no? It's not vary from person to person. It is similar to everyone. Natural numbers means everyone identify, everyone recognize the natural numbers means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 like. They particularly mention 10 natural numbers. 10 natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are the well-defined object. This collection ಏನು ನಾವು ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ, ಈ collection should not vary from person to person. It is similar to everyone. Okay. So these are the natural numbers. These collection of natural numbers we call elements of this set. What we call these natural numbers? Elements. These are called elements. What? Elements. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Or we take vowels. Vowels means A, E, I, O, U. These are the vowels in English alphabet. This is also not vary from person to person. It is also particularly well-defined collection. So this is also one of the set. So these are called elements. In elements, what we collect well-defined objects, that collection object we call elements. What we call elements. Okay. Elements of a set. Elements of a set. Okay. Whoa.